In this video I show how to remove the fender on the Citroen Berlingo 2 and the structurally identical Peugeot Partner Tepee. The fender is attached to the body with 8 screws, 10mm wrench size.
Screw under the wheel arch liner.
First of all, the wheel arch liner is removed. It is fastened with several expansion rivets and screws, 10mm wrench size. To remove the expansion rivets, pull the middle part out a little and then remove it completely. Once the wheel arch liner is removed, you can already see the 2 front screws that hold the fender in place. Do not unscrew them yet. First, we're only interested in the screws for the bumper. There are 2 of them, screwed in from bottom to top, and 2 pieces horizontally slightly below the headlight. Remove the 4 screws securing the bumper, and then pull the bumper outwards out of the guide. Next, remove all the top screws of the bumper, Torx 20. This allows the bumper to be separated a little more from the fender or headlight. Now unscrew the 3 screws, 10mm wrench size, of the headlight one top and 2 below, behind the bumper. This is important because the headlight has a kind of pin in the middle that is inserted into the fender. Then, at the top end, lever the headlight upwards a little further. And pull the headlight forward. You don't need to remove the headlight completely. A small gap is enough to pull the pin out of the fender. Next, remove the small indicator on the side. Press down slightly on the clip from the inside, do not break it off, and pull the turn signal outwards. Release the lock and disconnect the turn signal. There is still a protective plastic piece on the A-pillar. This plastic piece can simply be pulled out. Now you can also see the 2 rear screws, one to the sill and one on the A-pillar. Now you can unscrew all the screws under the wheel arch liner. Those were the 2 at the front, under the bumper. And 2 at the rear, one on the sill and one towards the A-pillar.
Screw under the triangular cover.
All of the following screws are super easy to remove. One is located under the triangular cover. The cover is simply clipped in. Just pry it off. Remove the underlying screw.
Top screws.
Finally, we have 3 more screws at the top. All are easily accessible. Remove all 3 screws. And remove the fender. Don't forget to spray the inside of the fender with cavity wax before installation, whether it's an old or new part. Pay particular attention to the edges and crevices where the paint won't reach. That's it for this video. Good luck!